Scatter crew. It's been a minute. We're out here right now. We're driving the CTSV. We're going to go and wash it, and I'm going to put a new sticker on it. But anyways, I got to run over and pick up some hedge trimmers from my buddy Chad, Mr. Rally with Rolly. Yeah, I got a job to do tomorrow where I got to trim some bush. Yeah. Anyways, so we're gonna head to the car wash. I'm gonna give you a little update on the CTSV. But yeah, stay tuned. Went and got some gas, topped it off, right? I like a full tank. Anyways, we're here at the car wash, hence the special effects, the colors. I don't know how well you can see me, it's dark in here, but so I called my buddy. Well, I sent him a text, and we're gonna price out a lowering kit for this CTSV. Now, I think that's the first thing I'm going to do to this thing is the lowering kit. So let's see what it costs, and we're going to go ahead and check it out and see if we can do it. So if we can't do it right now, it'll be within a couple weeks. So I'm going to call it right now that's on the list, and we're going to purchase that. I got to go home. I got to do some billing for the month. It's like July 29th, and then we are going to get ourselves a lowering kit. So mark my words, we're gonna lower this CTSV, and we're gonna drive it more, and we're gonna make more videos. What kind of videos do you want to see with the CTSV? Like, there's not much to it, but I think the next video I'm gonna do a little like review on my experiences with the CTSV so far. After owning it. I've owned it a little over a year now, and yeah, stay tuned for that video. But for now, update. First off, lowering kit. Second, I want to get the side skirts, the front lip, and the wing. Oh, that's loud. And then after I do that, well, before I do the wing and the front lip and the side skirts, I need to repaint my bumpers. So I've got a buddy. I'm gonna hit him up after we get it lowered. I'm gonna see what he'll do to paint the bumpers. And yeah, that's it. We're gonna go from there. So stay tuned, stick around, join the channel, make sure to subscribe. Subscribe right now, go down, hit the subscribe button. Don't miss out. We got some stuff coming up with the Cadillac 250. We got some stuff coming up with my Jeep. I don't know yet what, but we're gonna do something. And then, as always, we've got the lifted F-150 EcoBoost. We're just gonna drive around. We're just gonna go have some fun, show us out playing in it. I don't know. Show the lift. No, I'm just kidding. I already done that. It was kind of boring. So yeah, but the Jeep snoring mules come up. So subscribe. That's it. I'm out of here. I'm gonna go put a sticker on my car after we wash it. After we pick up the hedge trimmer. If you want to see the hedge trimmer in action, go subscribe to my other channel. It's called The Bad Grass Dude. I'll put a link below. Go subscribe to that. That's where all the lawn care stuff's gonna be. So join in the fun over there. And peace out.